what the light is. I don't know how I want to do this.
I think barely shoots.
What's going on, YouTube?
Hey, YouTubers!
I may leave that in there just for kicks.
God. No, put that.
What's going on, YouTube? We're down here. Where are we? We're in Opelika, Alabama, at the 109.6 on the Atlanta West Point subdivision.
Be like y'all too. No.
How cool is that? That guy. No, we're just down here goofing off, and we're just down here visiting. The next thing you know, we got a green signal, boys. We got a southbound.
Good eye, Elliot.
Yep. Let's see what we got.
Brought to you by.
What's going on, YouTube?
All right, action.
Should be any time now if they call people.
I'm gonna leave every bit of that in there.
Okay. Why not, man? Why not?
Even this.
People could be like,
Let me brought that goof on. Let me make sure I got
oh,
my.
train nerds out there just
Having a good time. My queen, don't stop me now.
I'm gonna go up to 75 feet. That's a little behind the scenes on flying the drone.
I can see your drone.
so that's 70.
75 feet. So I'm
No, I
gonna go.
can't see it.
We don't know what train this is. We just been down here goofing off and looked up and saw a green signal. All right, here we go, boys.
Action.
Tilt that gimbal down a little bit. I may just walk you guys through this thing. So I don't have a headlight yet. I don't know if I've ever narrated over one of these catches before, but we're gonna do it tonight.
Commentary.
We got a little commentary, that's right. All right, he's coming underneath the 7th Street Bridge, downtown Opelika, southbound. I'll swing this drone around a little bit. It sounds like Willie on the horn. I think it is. Willie, if you're on this, let us know. Drop a comment. Got it panned around. I'm just going to come around the side of it. Oops. Got 3 liters. Willie, that sounds like you on the horn, man. There he is. I missed that. I may see it on the ground cam. I'm sure I'll work that in. DJI Mini 3 Pro catching these shots. Having to use the lights of the downtown area here in Opelika to catch the side of the train. Probably no DPU on this one. 3 liters up front. But we'll see if we can get one. Well, we'll get it if there is one. I like to keep the drone moving around just so it's a little more dynamic shot than just being static up in the air. I'm always open to new ideas. feet, so it won't clear the bridge down here. If you're ever down in downtown Opelika, make sure you stop in Smith Keys hardware store. That's one of the old school stores that you would see in these small town areas. Yeah, I didn't catch a symbol on it. All right, YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed that. That's going to conclude tonight's episode of Rail Fanning in downtown Opelika. Y'all be sure and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for me, all right? Later.